So the question is, electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated at 112 volt, the power consumed will be. Okay. So what we have been given is potential difference, which is V is equal to 220, and power is given to us as 100 watt. Okay. So what we find is, let us find the resistance, because resistance is going to remain constant for any given device, electrical device. The resistance is going to be constant. तो इस क्वेश्चन में पहले हम रेजिस्टेंस निकाल लेते हैं. ठीक है. अब रेजिस्टेंस कैसे निकालनी है? हमें पावर, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस और रेजिस्टेंस को एक फॉर्मूला में रखना है. वैसे हम क्या जानते हैं? P is equal to VI. We know this. Okay. अब by Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to IR. So we need to replace I. So let us take I. I will be equal to V upon R. So we will replace I in this formula by V by R. So the formula for power will now become V into, in place of I we can write V by R. So it becomes V square upon R. So P is equal to V square upon R. So R will become V square upon P. P will come here, R will go there. So with this, now we can find out the value of resistance. So R will be 220 into 220, because V square is there, upon power is 100. So this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. 0 0 कट देंगे, तो R will be equal to 22 into 22. अब इसको इतना ही छोड़ देते हैं. We can solve it also, but let us leave it here. Now what we have to find out, the power consumed when it is operated at 110 volt. So we have to find power in this case. Potential difference is given to us as 110 volt. Okay. Resistance we already have now, 22 into 22. Okay, मैंने अभी सॉल्व नहीं किया है इसको. 22 into 22 करना चाहो तो कर भी सकते हो. P is equal to V square upon R. So P is equal to V square upon R. ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया. So V square is, V is 110, so 110 into 110 upon 22 into 22. R was 22 into 22. So ये कटिंग कर देंगे हम. 11 से कट कर दें इसको, है ना? 10 10 2 2. Okay. 2 1s are 5, 1s are 5, 5 into 5 25. So 25 watt. This will be our answer.